Okay.
Okay, let's try not to fuck it up. What the fuck? I don't remember. I thought you remembered.
I did, but then this fastness screwed me up.
Okay, let's go to 140.
What about 110 first?
Okay.
Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, I remember now. Let's do 150.
Oh, shit. We're not going to get the whole thing because we don't remember the...
We don't remember the fillers.
We don't remember the fillers yet.
Okay. Okay, you know what, screw it, we can't do this. You want to do it?
Yeah.
By
I
yourself?
got part of it. Right.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, good, because my brain is bashing against my skull and I'm starting to get a headache.
Alright. Maybe 30 or something.
How about we stop?
Okay.
It's right before it's gonna close anyway.
So bye. That was us being idiots.
This has been a Science and Society production of dancing, and why are your legs looking like you're about to give birth?
My arms are there.
Okay then, that's all good then.
Oh my god. Never, ever speed up. Film on, what?
Yeah, none of this stuff is sped up. None. Absolutely none.
It's all wave pad.
Yeah. See? Oh, wait. You kind of... Wait, there we go. See? Sped up.
Speed and pitch change.
Speed and pitch change, yes, used by this program.
I mean, while we're sweating Crisco, you're probably laughing your asses off, so thanks for the encouragement.
And I'm not even going to put any of these fast-forward songs on, like, dubbing us, because that would just be horrible.
Yeah.
I'm not going to sync that crap up. Oh, no, that's too much work.
Yeah. It's probably loud enough anyway, so.
Oh,
If the
hopefully.
quality isn't good and you yell at us for something like that,
Fuck you.
I'm gonna kick your ass because you know how fast we just dance.
Do you know how fast 150% is? Do you know how fast 200% is? Bitch, let me tell you. You see that? You see that on the floor?
Yeah, look at the Miyako. She's dead on the floor. Ugh.
Oh, I was going to show them your sweat, but okay.
No, don't show my sweat.
Okay, I'll show them your
Show
butt
my dead.
instead.
No, show.
The Miyako is dead. We have killed her.
You killed me. I hope you get ratings for this, bitches.
Okay. Mwah. Dance. Idiot.
Yeah. We have to do something else for that then. Like The Rock. for it.
You look like somebody that just got out of jail. First thing you do, dance.
I can do it.
Useless talent number 13. Making small airplanes. Very small ones.
No tweezers required.
Yeah. There was tweezers for the other one though.
Yeah, but those are smaller.
This is my finger and this is the plane. SR-71. Go! Holy shit, that was cool! It went straight. It went really cool. It was all like straight and stuff.
It actually flew.
It was like opposite of Elton John.
Do it!
Where did I throw it?
I don't know. Did it hit me?
Yeah, I think it hit your leg.
Oh, there it is.